Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices. Make sure your Airpods have charge and your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as the Roku TV. Once done, open the Roku mobile app and tap the remote. You're using the app's private listening because most Roku TVs don't pair directly to Airpods. The app routes TV audio through your phone. Keep the Airpods ready to select as the phone's audio output. This avoids pairing conflicts and gives the lowest latency path that Roku supports. Now pair your Airpods to your phone. Open the case and select them in Bluetooth, or use your phone's control center to choose them as the audio output. Make sure the phone is still connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the Roku, then enable private listening in the Roku app. You'll see the app indicate it's streaming audio from the TV. This step routes the TV audio into your phone, which then forwards it to the Airpods. That's how we bridge the gap safely and with minimal lag. Finish by playing video and checking audio sync. Adjust volume using the Roku app and the Airpods. If you prefer a direct hardware solution, plug a low-latency Bluetooth transmitter into the TV's headphone or optical output and pair your Airpods to that transmitter. If you get no sound or lag, restart the phone and Roku TV, toggle private listening off and on, and repair the Airpods. These quick resets usually resolve Bluetooth routing or network problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.